So I'm going to show you how to edit the smile on here in Photoshop. I am using the latest Photoshop version 21.11. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on layer 1 and hit Control J to make a copy, just so you always have the original. Then you're going to go up to filters here and you're going to select Liquify. You can also hold Shift Control X. So Liquify is going to open this new window here, and then you'll see over here you've already got these face settings on the Liquify. So on the mouth, we'll add a little bit of a smile. You can see it change there, right? It's pretty cool. Then I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so we can get a good idea of what the face is actually going to look like. So we'll put a nice big smile on there, add some upper lips, add a little bit lower, a little bit bigger. Add some mouth height. And then you can also change the face shape to see what looks better. Same with the chin. Jawline. You don't want to make it look too fake. Otherwise, when you look at their business card or whatever, people are going to do a double take on it. So we got the mouth and the face. Take a look at the nose here. Make it bigger or smaller. And then the eyes. You can see you can change them. It's pretty cool. So we'll go 10, 10, and the height too. We're going to open them up a little bit. See the difference that it makes. And the width. And there we go. We got face number 1. That's it. That's how you do it. And then you'll press OK. And then I'm going to zoom in and just edit a little bit of the mouth right here to make the teeth a little bit whiter. Just that area right there needs just to be fixed. So I'm going to zoom in on it. I'm going to try another tool. And try the smudge tool. So what that does is it kind of pulls the last color that you saw. If I select right there, it's just kind of pulling that color, as they would say, That's why it's the smudge tool. All right, there's our new picture there. Then we're going to export it and save it as a picture. Export. We'll see how big this file is. So not too bad. It's a decent sized JPEG there. We're actually going to export it as a PNG so we get the transparent background on it as well.